Monitor and control your Family Hub refrigerator right from the palm of your hand with SmartThings. On your phone, open SmartThings. SmartThings automatically turns on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to scan for devices. Let's get started. SmartThings will need to access your device's location. If you accept, tap Allow. Sign in to start building your connected world. Tap the plus icon and select Device. Choose Refrigerator and then the brand. Next, select your type of fridge. Since we are setting up our Family Hub, tap Family Hub. Then tap Start. Select or add a new location and a room for your refrigerator. Tap Next. You will be directed to go to your fridge display. Tap Settings, Connections, and then Easy Connection. Next, tap Connect. It may take a little time for your fridge to connect to your phone. Just sit tight. After a second or two, a pin will appear on the appliance screen. Enter that number into your smartphone and touch Done. To continue with the setup, select your Wi-Fi network and tap Connect. Your Family Hub is now part of your SmartThings family. Give your fridge a fun little name if you want, and then tap Done. Now that you're connected, you can view your fridge's current temperature or even take a peek inside your fridge from across town to make sure you don't forget the necessities. If you're having trouble getting connected, call 1-800-SAMSUNG and say Family Hub. A dedicated Family Hub agent will be able to help.